Okay, we've arrived. We're in room 1127, which is on the ground floor. It's a lake view room. We've got 2 double beds and a little table in the between, and these lovely porthole Disney characters around the room. They're really nice. Just give the room a little bit of a Disney touch. We're, as I say, we're on the ground floor, so we're overlooking the lake. So I think that's the lake that we use to go to the walk to the parks, but I'm not sure. But Sequoia Lodge is over the road, so I've got a feeling it is. We've got a nice little dressing table here, and a chair, and the obligatory coffee machine here as well. And then we've got the TV and loads of big drawer space. These are deceiving because I thought this was 1, but it's actually, I thought it was 2, but it's 1. And then we've got in here the highlight, kettle and tea, which is what I need. So I'm happy with that. Excellent. And then we'll come to the bathroom. I haven't actually switched this bathroom light on yet, so here we go. There we go. So you've got the lovely sink there, towels. We've got a nice safe. Standard Disney safe, coat hangers, extra blankets, and a nice little seat. Well, actually, it's good for the cases, so we'll stick the cases on there as well. And in the bathroom, we've got a bath and a shower head. Some little shower gels, more towels, another seat there, that'll be handy, and the loo. Nice, so nice and clean, nice and bright. Oh, it's the old style European hairdryer. That's going to be a bit of a pain, but we're only here for 2 days, so we'll be happy with that. It'll do the job, and that's the room. Just to show you the view, I haven't looked at this myself. So we are in the ground floor, so our patio, oh God, opens onto it's a lake view. Lots of people walking along. I'm assuming that might take us to the Disney parks. I don't really know, but it's a big open area there. But it's nice.